Hey, what's up, guys? This is just me doing a really short and simple video about how to add an endpoint to your application, your Python application. I'm using that for my Docker container, and yeah, to show that it works and it's pretty simple to make. Uh, I'm probably gonna do some errors as well. This is the first time I'm doing this on Python. I probably make some mistakes here and there, and I'll show them because nobody's perfect. Yeah, anyway, let's just get to it. So I basically would like there to be a health. So this is my app.local, right? I already told you about it some days ago. And I want there to be like a health endpoint as well as a status endpoint to give us information about the pods and show its, like I said, liveliness and readiness. So right now what we need for another endpoint to appear is to handle the HTTP requests, right? We need to get the GET requests and handle that and check if the endpoint in the directory becomes health or status. Let's just do health for now. And then we have to make sure it's gonna give us a response. And if not, it should just be be default. Just do it as per usual. Probably give us an error or something. So I copied this and then I just type in, is there a method for getting all get, and then we can go to the AI mode. You know, we can use LLMs for simple stuff like this, and yeah, there is a method we can override do get method. Oh, look, there's in an example here, custom request handler. So this is it. Do get self your custom logic to handle all GET requests. This content, I just send HTTP status code 200, okay, and that's what we want. But we have to also check if it's health first of all. So yeah, I'm gonna use some time on finding that out. I read up a bit on the documentation from python.org, and it showed me path, by the way. If query component of the URL is present, the path includes the query. So yeah, if it includes the request path which we want, so that's where we're gonna put in the slash health endpoint, and then yeah, we're going to need to add in the header status code and then close that header, and in the end I put in the body, which is just gonna be an okay message. Wait a minute, let me see. To end header, oh, there's body, write the output stream for writing a response back to the client. So we basically got everything we need. Let's just try it out. Def self if self path equals slash help. Then we need to have a status code, send status. Then we need to look at the documentation again. Send error, and then there's send response, code and message. So yeah, we just only need the code, and it's on default none, the message. Dude, isn't there a fucking auto thing? The fuck the hell? Let's see. Signal, what the bruh. I'ma just restart this. What's the suggestion, huh? No. Does it even check the method? Just randomly. Right now. Okay. Yeah, okay. I just found out what I did wrong. So I needed to make a subclass first so we can actually access and change what's going on in here. There we go. And now it should give me proper responses. There we fucking go. Oh my god. Ah, there we go. God damn it. It's so simple. The fuck? So we needed this line. We can't just open this from whenever. That's like, yeah, that would have been just declaring a whole new do get method from my own code, but not from handler. So yeah, that was kind of dumb. So yeah, it should be 200. Self end headers, self fw file. Okay, there we go. Yeah, and then and if else, we just let it be how it is. Super or return and super do get. Let's just add the return here. I mean, this is probably unnecessary, but in case, I guess. So yes, I guess so. Now we can just save this, our terminal, and then do some Docker magic app here. Okay. Okay, 3D image pull, was it? Pull, no, wait. If you don't know, then you can just use help. Yeah, import. Okay, 3D image import app. To say the cluster name dev. Nice. And now pods cluster. Where's delete? Oh wait. Wait a minute. It's I forgot again. It's kubectl expose delete. Yeah. L. So now it should work. Something. Right. Let's go here. So remember, to the status, we haven't programmed that in. Yeah, it shouldn't work right away. But now, yeah, it's still not finished. Yeah, you have to give it a minute. Okay, okay, I found out that this is wrong, and I have to write dot right here. Makes mistakes, and I don't need this here. Now it should work. Let's try again. So Docker image. Do this, but Docker build, and then image import, and then so yeah, it's another terminating and running. So soon there, and you need to change this as well. Base HTTP request standard. What? Yeah, get that wrong. So yeah, let's try again. Yeah, and now it works. So if we do health, okay, first status wrong, error, and now let's come on, please work. Yes, there we go. There we fucking go. Okay, that's a win for us. And that's how you add an endpoint in the simplest way possible. I can't really tell you much more, I guess. It's really simple to do. You can do this yourself as well. I'm not gonna go through my K3D pods with Kubernetes. Yeah, this is really simple, but I can do. If you guys want, I can review this simple code another video, but I just wanted to add this endpoint, and that's all. It takes about, depending on your level and experience, maybe, I don't know, 20 minutes. Like if you actually though, put your mind and wrap around it and actually try to understand what's going on, it will take some time. But if you already get this, it should take like 5 minutes probably. If you're using AI, it's going to be much faster, but you have to also learn what you're doing and understand it. So yeah, not just copy and paste. That's not good. I write stuff down and I fuck up sometimes, and then I correct it, and yeah, that's it, I guess, for the recording. Hope you learned something. Goodbye.
talk.